My yearly listing sits on a quiet, spacious street in a highly sought-after neighborhood right on the border of Cupertino and Los Altos. One of the most special things about this location is just steps from your front door is the beautiful Sarah Park, one of the most beloved green spaces in the area. Sarah Park offers tennis court, playgrounds, open grass field, shaded walking paths, and even a gentle creek running through the park, creating a wonderful place for family relax, play, and enjoy the outdoor. You are also within walking distance of top-rated Cupertino schools and convenient shopping centers including Hollenbeck, Dianza Square, and Homestead Crossing. Major tech campus are just minutes away and with easy access to Highway 280 and 85, plus downtown Sunnyvale and Country nearby. Commuting couldn't be more convenient. And now let's take a look inside. Inside, refinished hard floors and fresh interior paint create a bright and welcoming atmosphere, enhanced by natural light peering in through the dual-pane windows. A cozy gas fireplace adds warmth and comfort, perfect for relaxing evenings at home. The living space flows into a kitchen and dining area featuring brand-name appliances, tile countertops, abundant cabinetry, and a unique built-in grill that adds character to the space. Down the hall, you will find 3 comfortable bedrooms, each with its own closet, along with a whole bathroom featuring dual sinks and stall shower combination. The primary suites offer a spacious ensuite bathroom with a stall shower and direct access to the beautiful backyard. Step outside to enjoy a lovely backyard featuring an extended deck with built-in bench seating, a large grassy area, and lush landscaping that creates a peaceful outdoor setting. That brings my tour to an end. I'm Renna Shee, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any questions, feel free to call the number below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you this weekend. Bye now.